Hello, this is Ki with RunScore. Today we're going to be showing a little bit of troubleshooting and how to use the error messages that you might get on RunScore and use the information from that error message and fix those so that you can continue. First thing we're going to deal with is the primary ones for the enter and edit name screen. If we go ahead and try to enter a new record, I've got an entry form here that says number 29, the race is R, last name is Keith, first name is Stephen, the sex is male, and the age is 66. Okay, I'm not going to type in any more information. Now if we want to go ahead and enter that or update that, we're going to either hit F4 or we're going to do F12 to see what the to update and advance to the next number. Oh, but wait a minute. The new record, number 227, we have 226 records in there, 226 assigned bib numbers for entries, but it says that that is the same as the existing record 29. We'll go ahead and acknowledge that, and then a field bib must be unique. Yes, that's why you get a warning. I'll look at the sheet and oh, it wasn't 289, it was 290. F12, we've now got a new record. Everything's golden on that. We're going to page down. We're going to look at record number 1 and bib number 1. Allison Aiken. We're going to go ahead and try to update that, which is an F4. And notice it says invalid input, error in the field sex. We go to sex, it's D. Well, if we go to the properties, we're going to notice that the only allowed values right at the moment are male or female. So we're going to change that to an F. And we're going to go ahead and now save that. No problems. Save that with no errors. Now, the next thing we're going to look at is a lot of the listing problems you may come up with. We're going to look at the 5K run results. It's a listing file that will create results. We're going to go ahead and send that to the editor, to the notepad. Warning, cannot find file EVNTLIST. Okay, let's go ahead and acknowledge that. Cannot find the .include file in the that's the list, the file we're in. That's the one we're calling, and it's on line 47. Okay. Oops, we've got a second error. It says cannot find field, select number. And the source is the file we're in, line 45, and the statement is select number that we're dealing with. And then the next invalid command is not equal to 0 because of that earlier error. So let's go ahead and ignore that. Let's go ahead and now we're going to go ahead and edit. And we're going to look here on the internal editor. You notice on the editor, we're on line 1, column 1, and that is down here on the low border. So if we want to go down to 47, we can scroll down to line 47 and notice that that says, well, we're one off. .include event list. Okay, if we double click on that, we'll see that that file's not in there. We go look at our actual listings and realize it was typed in wrong. Event list. We'll go ahead and double click on that and notice we've got it there. So that's changed. So we're going to go ahead and save that file. We're going to go ahead and try to run it again. And again, it can't find the field select number, and that's in this file. Line 45 and select number. So we're going to go up to line 45. Well, we have to acknowledge that. Again, we're going to get rid of that. We're going to go to line 45. Down here it says it's 44, so we're one off because of the, I believe, on the comment. But anyway, we look at this select number. Well, we don't have a number field. That's from an old listing, so we're going to go ahead and replace that with bib. Save that. And now when we run it, we should be able to see the actual listing file. No error messages. The other way of doing this, though, would be a macro, which is going to have several different items in it. And if we try to run that the same way, we're going to get the same message, event list, include on line 7. On the select RSM, we're going to edit that. Notice it says on line 7, it's going to be %3. Well, we're going to have to go back now to the macro, and we're going, here's the %1, %2, %3. Again, it was a typo. Event list. We're going to go ahead and save that and run that. It works fine now. So, RunScore has told you more or less where to find it and what to correct. Should be no problems on that. Now, the other thing that we deal with is uploading results to run sign up, race roster, or other things. We're going to go ahead and try to run the results to RSU. You must log in first. Okay, nice easy error message or message to tell me that I need to log in, and since that's got several steps in there, it's going to go ahead and keep asking me to do that. Let's go back here now and go to Tools, Online System, make sure that we're in Run Sign Up. The onlines, we're going to go ahead and sign in. Okay, you are logged in to Run Sign Up. We're going to go ahead online and let's just check the details, make sure we're in the race we want to, which is good. Now we're going to go ahead and run this command. We have an error. Error code 11, an invalid submission. Error details. The first name is required. Result index 180. Okay, so in our result file we're sending up, the about 180th finisher is not showing up with a first name. So we're going to exit that. We're going to go down here to the run. We're going to go ahead and look at that again. We're going to go down, page down to the 180th finisher. Well, it's actually the 181st, and it's this one that says contact us. So we're going to go ahead and go back here. We're going to go in and contact us, F3. That's number 227. There's no first name. So we're going to type in, please contact us, F4, and we're going to go back and run that. 182 finishers uploaded. We're going to go to online to view the results online. And voila, we look down to the 180th finisher. Well, we're going to have to go to page 2. Scroll down, and there we go, is please contact us. Now, let's say we wanted to go ahead and get rid of these results and start over again. We'd go up to online, to the online dashboard. We're going to go to race day tools, results. We're going to expand that down. We're going to edit results. And of course it's being slow. This is the results we just set up. So what we want to do is we're going to delete those to start over again. It's deleted. We're going to go ahead and exit out of that. We're going to go ahead now and we're going to go back and rerun this to re-upload those. But notice that since we have manually deleted them, we're going to have to try to upload again. It's just reset the stuff in RunScore to be able to accomplish these actions. So we'll run it again and uploaded those 182 results again, and that would have created a new page. Again, when we go in here, we can refresh this and we will see those results back up there. No problems. Looks good on everything on that. Again, we can look at the last page, go to the bottom, and we'll see that 182 is the please contact us. All of these errors and error messages will either tell you a line in your script, your list file or RSM to look for to change it, give you information on fields. You may have some that you're uploading entries, it will tell you the record number. It's RECNO. It'll tell you which record number is the offending, and you can go in, and the reason for it, you can go in and look at that and update that. To get to the record number, the easiest way is to click on record. We're going to ahead and make sure we're set up on that. We're going to go back to record, and let's type in 225. That'll take us right to record number 225 and give us the information on that. To edit it easier, we'll go ahead and double click on that, put it in the inner edit window, and we'll fix anything that was in there for uploading registrations and such. Very easy, very simple, and just spend the time to look at the error message and read it, just not acknowledge it and continue on, because some of those will put you into a bad situation. So anyway, nice and easy way to do these things. And if you have any questions on this or any other topic, give us a shout at support, and we'll hopefully see you shortly with a new video. Have a nice day.